Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 5 foods for high-protein meals. Number 1. Chicken breast, a lean source of protein with around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, great for grilling, baking, or adding to salads. Number 2. Eggs, a versatile option with about 6 grams of protein per large egg. You can use them in omelets, scrambles, or boiled as a snack. Number 3. Greek yogurt contains 10 to 15 grams of protein per 100 grams and can be used in smoothies, parfaits, or as a topping. Number 4. Lentils, with about 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, lentils are perfect for soups, stews, or salads and provide a plant-based protein option. Number 5. Tuna. Canned tuna offers about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams and can be used in sandwiches, salads, or wraps. These foods can help you craft balanced, high-protein meals easily.